this video, I'll show you how to limit app battery usage on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. Many apps continue running in the background, which can drain your phone's battery faster. By adjusting the background usage limits, you can control which apps run in the background and improve your Samsung device's battery life. Let's see how to set it up. First, open the app drawer and tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Device Care. Next, tap Battery. Here you'll see details about your battery usage. Now tap Background Usage Limits. This section helps limit battery usage for apps that you don't use very often. Here you'll find several options. The first option is Put Unused Apps to Sleep. When this option is enabled, Samsung will automatically put apps into sleep mode if you haven't used them for a while. This helps reduce background battery usage. The second option is Never Auto Sleeping Apps. If there are certain apps that you use regularly and want to run in the background without restrictions, you can add them here. Simply tap the ++ icon and select the apps you want to keep running normally. Tap Add at the top right. Next, you'll see Sleeping Apps. Apps in this list can run in the background occasionally, but their activity is limited. Notifications from these apps may sometimes be delayed. You can add apps here if you only use them occasionally. The last option is Deep Sleeping Apps. Apps added to this list will not run in the background at all. They will only work when you open them manually. This is very useful for apps that you rarely use and want to stop from draining your battery. To add apps to this list, tap the ++ icon and select the apps you want. Tap Add at the top right. By managing these settings, you can reduce background activity and significantly improve the battery life on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series device. And that's it! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.